Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Our lesson today is about parallel parking. I'm going to show you the simplest way of parking into a parallel space. First, stand next to the car in front of you. Make sure that its view mirror is matching your own view mirror. If that car is bigger than your car, make sure that the back lights of that car are at par with your back lights. Now make a full lock to the left and start reversing. When you can see all the headlights of the car behind you in your mirror, straighten your wheels and continue to reverse. As soon as your right back wheel crosses the parking line, stop and full lock to the right and continue reversing. Once the whole car is in the parking space, you can now stop and go a bit forward to make sure that the front space is equal with the back space. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, we have successfully parked our car. Follow us, subscribe to our channel, leave your comment in the comment section telling us the next thing that you want us to be doing. For now, it's goodbye.